I'm on a mission, the market's my canvas. Pine tree trader, that's the name, no need for the panic. Got my screens lit, watching the price move. Every tick, every chart, I'm in my groove. See an inside bar, that's a sign of a pause. The market's holding its breath, it's a break from the laws. Squeeze it up tight, coiling for a big move. I'm patient, I'm watching, got nothing to prove. Wait for the break, above or below. That's when I hit the gas, watch the profit grow. Apex funding on the line, my account's legit. Passing these challenges, ain't no time to quit. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From pine tree trader to take profit.
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's going on, guys? Doyan, what is up? Tony Gold, Lay. Love the intro, thank you. I actually cut off the intro.
Squeeze it up tight, coiling for a big move. I'm patient, I'm watching, got nothing to prove. Wait for the break, above or below. That's when I hit the gas, watch the profit grow. Apex funding on the line, my account's legit. Passing these challenges, ain't no time to quit. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day.
Let's go.
From pine tree trader to take profit, we're on a roll. Is the platform, we're in full control. Now let's talk about the outside bar, it's a different scene. It's a power move, a sign of something keen. Engulfing the last one, showing dominance and might. The bears or the bulls, they're winning the fight. It's a reversal signal or a continuation of the trend. Gotta read the
What's going on, everyone? Hope you guys had a good day. I had a great day. No over trading, no blown accounts. Passed 5. Let's see. 5 might find a future scale plans. So that's exciting. It's exciting. Willie C, Mo Bro, what is up? Trader 007. What's the Flex add-on? So it allows you $6,000 per request, and 50%. You can take 50% of your profits. So it's a lot like Top Step, where so basically Top Step's is pretty much the same. So with Top Step, you can withdraw 50% of your profit once you're funded. My Funded Futures is the same thing, except with My Funded Futures, you only have to make 5 days of $100 or more. Top Step, it's $150, and also My Funded Futures is $127 right now, all in cost. And Top Step's $200. So. And also, they have the 10-to-1 micro ratio is it's 10-to-1 micro to mini ratio with My Funded Futures. And I don't think Top Step is. I think they haven't fixed that yet. So yeah. So you can request 50% of your profits. So pretty awesome. Please use code PINE for My Funded Futures if you're gonna give that a shot. I appreciate it. We're gonna do some giveaways today. I got some Apex accounts to give away, any size. We'll do that later in the stream. Thank you, Ms. K. Yes, come in, smash the like button. It was a good day. I have a daily payout coming. Can't beat that. Small one. You here for the FTT giveaway? Yeah, those are free, so I'll give away tons of those. Those are absolutely free. Alright, let's see here. So market was a little crazy, like always, but not a bad day overall. Market started out pretty choppy. I had a very bearish bias. It just felt like we were just gonna push down at the open, which worked out. But once we put in this 15-minute orb, I kind of thought, like, once we broke it, I was like, you know, there's a statistic. It's very interesting. It's from Edgeful. I don't know if you guys saw it or not, but on Thursdays, the 15-minute ORB short fails most of the time. Like, literally, it's only worked like 2 or 3 times this year on a Thursday short. So I actually ended up trying to fade this, push down off the ORB, and just got a little spike off it. But yeah, it's just so $270 on the Take Profit Trader for a daily payout, and past 5 My Funded Future scale accounts, and that was it. Yeah, Edgeful is really cool. I haven't quite figured it all out yet. I did get it. It's $50. I should become an affiliate with them, but I haven't yet. But yeah, it's $50. I'm gonna give it a shot. Just kind of like, I'm just curious about a few things, but I don't know. I'll pay for the 1 month, and then I'll cancel it if I don't want it after. But how do you enter the giveaway? I haven't set it up yet, but it's let's do it right now. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. Yeah, so it won't be till like 7:45 Eastern, and you must be present to win. I do it at the end of the stream. We're also gonna do one for members only tonight, so we'll do one for members only. So if you'd like to join the membership, you might have a good chance of winning. Hey Sherry, hey Cave Trader, Nate's in the house. What is up? What's up? Yeah, it's great. Yeah. Now the key now, Nate, is to see if I can hold on to him. So yeah. So you guys been following me in a while. I have not been trading very well as far as being able to hold on to accounts. I feel like tilt has kind of been hitting me for the last few weeks, but a little boom and bust type stuff. But we'll see. Maybe I won't even trade him tomorrow. Maybe I'll just hold on to him until Monday. I doubt it. I'll probably trade him, but wishful thinking. Thank you, J Trade. Futch, what is up? Dylan. Daryl in the house. Tradeify growth account says activation is in progress. Do I just wait to hear back from them? Yeah, John. Yeah. Yeah. They're pretty efficient. It should be pretty good. I think. I don't know if you have to. They changed their dashboard around. I don't know if you have to go in and hit activate like take profit trader, but yeah, it should be pretty quick. Their tech is really good. Tradeify, guys, is like really good. Like if you get a payout with Tradeify, it's within minutes too. It's very fast. My Funded Futures is very fast. Probably the fastest right now. But Tradeify is really, really fast. Joyce, what is up? Chris B. Market opening up in about 10 seconds. Smash that like button. Let's get started. I have a 250K Apex account. This is an eval. Let's see what I can do with it. This was a rebuild, John. This is one of the 90% off rebuilds. So this account cost me like 18 bucks or something like that. Waiting for the transition, Nate. Oh, nice. Phidias. Yeah, I haven't jumped on Phidias yet. Tony, what is up? What is up? What's the goal tonight? Gold? I don't know. Gold. Gold's the new kid in town, right? It's the cool kid in town. The new cool kid in town. Like everyone wants to trade the gold. Pretty wild. You caught the short, you banked. Absolutely banked. But yeah, I'll probably trade some gold. So this is 250K. It's cheap. Apex. Gonna trade it with size. I'll trade it with minis. Well, that's okay. I don't want to smash it, but I'd like to pass it. I don't know if I'll pass it tonight, but 1 minute bar gone. Yeah, nice push up by NASDAQ. You got destroyed on gold last night. That was me 2 nights ago. Yeah. Oh no, design. Yeah, you went. Yeah. Sold the bottom. Yeah, I kept trying to short that pump up in gold. The other night. I think it was like this. Yeah, it was like this pump. I kept trying to short it. And that's what I blew all my Funded Futures accounts the other night. But I got 5 more, so we're back. I was looking at NASDAQ. The same kind of pump though. It was right through here. Tory Trade's husband, what is up? Yo, Pine. Smash a like for Trevor LeConte. Let's go. Appreciate you, Tory Trades. I went to the gym today too. It kind of hurt my bicep again. Wasn't too happy about that. John, for Tradeify? Or... Wow, what a push up here. Dean in the house. Tradeify growth. So yeah, it is. Tradeify growth. I always forget with Tradeify. But it's let's see. Yeah, 35% consistency, 5 days or more, 150K in profits, and you need $3,000 buffer. Yep. Says account balance needed for growth in advance. Minimum balance needed 53,000. You got any My Funded Futures, John? Kaboosh, yeah. That's why I like My Funded Futures, guys. You can, you know, they don't have buffers like that. You can request, except the pro account. You know, you can request right into the buffer. Let's go, Tides and Trades. Did you use code PINE? Just say yes if you did, or boot him, or her. Boot him. I'm just kidding. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Yeah, strong push up here by NASDAQ. So NASDAQ had finished the day very strong. Had a big push down, kind of V-bottom, pulled back. So yeah, very interesting. Thursdays tend to be a very much an inside day. Interesting or not. Interesting enough, I mean. They tend to be kind of an inside day, and that's where we're at. Check out gold right here. Gold just kind of chopping sideways. Gold's been wild. I find gold tough to trade myself, just because I usually oversize. But if you trade small enough, you're getting some nice moves. Even like three micros on gold can, you know, print some money. So, do I stream every day? Yeah, I do. Every single night. Yep. Every single night. I'm here 5:45 usually. I'm usually here about 5:30 getting set up. I'm listening to tunes, getting cranked up, drinking the coconut water. Yeah, Nate, I'm gonna do it. And you know what else? I think Terry's gonna do it too. I think there's some other people in the chat that were gonna do it. It should be fun. Yeah, guys, if you don't know, there's a Ninja Trader tournament going on. If you guys want to check it out, go to Ninja Trader or arena.ninjatrader. It's a free tournament. It's for micros. It should be fun. I encourage you guys to try it, and so that way we can talk about it, and it'd be kind of cool. Tides and Trades is funded with Top Steps. I wanted to try a firm that was very similar. Some firms are very difficult with platforms. Yeah, they're one of the simplest ones. My Funded Futures, Tides and Trades. So yeah, and laser fast. When you get to payout, it's literally laser fast. 2 seconds. I'm not joking. I've done it on stream a few times. Literally takes 2 seconds to get payout. Trade day challenge, Gopher. I'm banned until Sunday. I'm banned until Sunday. I was talking about My Funded Futures, Gopher. Good to see you, Gopher. See you over in Myths chat all the time. How much size do you put on with the big account? I'm gonna use one mini today, but yeah, I usually trade minis. So when I'm trying to pass an account, to be honest with you, I put on big size, but on my funded accounts, I usually trade one mini. Although everyone tries to get me to use micros, which is probably smarter. Yeah, My Funded Futures is the property we're talking about with laser fast payouts, but I'm gonna take a shot here. Oops, wrong button. I'm short NASDAQ. Stop at the high. Please do not follow my trades. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot, but at least I show you my trades. Like some streamers don't. And then they talk about it after they're in the trade. Because they have TradingView pulled up. With no executions on it. Just saying. I'm just throwing shots out there. Come at me. I need some Twitter controversy. Hey Mosh, what is up? Gold's dumping as well. Let's get this NASDAQ dump. See if we can break the lows here. So Moshe, yeah, we're trading on NASDAQ. Traded really good today. Nihil, what is it going on? Traded very well. Did not overtrade. This is 2 days in a row where after my little tilt session that I just kind of took it easy. And yeah, I'm feeling pretty good. Feeling pretty good. Small base hit daily payout coming. $700 payout yesterday. Daily payout, and $270 daily payout today. So feeling good. I am short. I'm actually short off this inside bar here. If you can see the little red thing right here, means I'm short. I don't know what happened to my my little cool pen that I'm paying for. There it is. Right here. Red. Means I'm short. If it's green up here, the number, it means it's I'm long. And stop at the high. 308.25. Stop at the high. Hopefully we can get a little push down. We'll see. Alright, Smokey. See you later, man. Quick 350. Let's go. I had a great day trading on tilt. Yeah, good day. What's up, Peter? What is up? Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you want to join the giveaway. Oof. Well. Thank you, Annabelle E. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. I actually pay for this music. Cranston White. We got gold moving around. Wow, nice buy up on gold here. Nice bounce. 973. Hey, Primal Songs, thanks so much. From Antigua. You went long, got a 100-point scalp, $100 scalp, nice. They can't get enough, just keep buying and buying and buying. Yeah, I know. It is wild, isn't it? Still in this NASDAQ short here. We'll see. I'm going to keep the stop where it is, but... Hey, thank you, Annabelle E. What actually made me think short? Inside bar. So I take inside bar breaks. So this yellow candle right here. I take the break. I'm generally looking for like a 1-to-1 or something like that. But yeah. As you see these inside bar breaks. You pretty much could have took them all afternoon and made money. So if you took the long here, made money. Took the long here, made money. Here. Or actually, break here, you know, break to the downside short. This one, if you went for 1-to-1, you still would have got it. So the fact that this one might not work, it might not work. I mean, it was like 4 or 5 in a row. So this one worked. This one did not. This one really didn't work. This one, questionable. Not 100%, right? Nothing is. If we had 100% win rate on some of these strats, we'd be loaded. Gold went negative 700 and back to even to cover the trade day micros. Oh, I see. Yeah. Went from you went negative from 700 and back to even, easy to overtrade trade day micro. Yeah. Even with micros with gold with the movement, I mean, you could still get beat up bad. It's she moving. Tony Schwartz, thank you so much for the sub. What's up, Red? Is there a guy that filters? Oh yeah, so yeah, all you do is if you're using Tradeovate, you just go, or to filter them, like good from bad, no, but to put them on your chart, you just do this LDT inside outside bars on the community indicators. Will the BDH count? Oh no. So I didn't know that you had unlimited resets. Just saying. I think someone really used the unlimited resets and finally caught the big 300 point short. If you know what I'm saying. Wink, wink. Someone that has lots of money to do it. To reset them a bunch of times. I blew my account and I was just like, oh, damn. I said no more resets. And then I just read on Twitter a little bit ago and it was unlimited resets. I was like, what? Yeah, that's right. 20 bucks a pop design for sure. Yo, Neo, what is up? Tony Schwartz, what is up? Yeah, I like Matt. Yeah, Josh, unlimited resets now. They changed the rules twice. First, they moved the $5,000 drawdown because I was up at one point I was up 25,000 bucks, and then I got down to like 16, and then I got down to like 12, and then I stopped because they ended up trailing the $5,000 buffer the next day, and I was like, what the heck? And then the next day, I had $100 left in drawdown, and I was like, what? I'm like, this doesn't make any sense. And then I just blew it. I was like, well, whatever. Who's Cower? Rocket Scooter. Rocket Scooter Matt. Yeah, it's who can full port and has enough money to reset. Yeah. M Susan, what is up? So there is a Ninja Trader competition. It is free if you guys want to join it. Check it out. I'm not affiliated with it or anything. It's just I'm gonna do it for fun, but it should be cool. You just gotta go to Ninja Trader, arena.ninjatrader. Look for the tournament. I think something like that. Arena.ninjatrader. I think. Let's see. Arena. You can try this link. It's a micro tournament. You can try that, see if it works, but something like that. Major math geek. Yeah, he has like a degree in math or something like that. I am not. I'm an idiot. I literally can't put 2 and 2 together. But I trade pretty decent. I go green button means go long, red button goes short. What do you do for a living? I just push buttons. Power 737. Yeah, I wonder why he's not in more live accounts though, right? You know? But yeah, I mean, if the system works, it works. If you win, you'll donate 2,000 in TPT accounts to the chat and the other 2,000 to my bro. Awesome, Johnny. Let's go. Live with 3 props. Nice. Yeah, he's been trading forever. He was there back in 2021. He was like one of the only people that were on YouTube. It was like him and Patrick and trades by Matt. You guys remember that? There wasn't many people back then. Damn, nice, Fiber Splice. Smash the like buttons. 97% win rate. Let's go. If I win the Ninja Trader tournament, I am retiring. You'll never see me again. No, it's a pretty good prize, though. Terry finished 7th and got, I think got like $600, $700, $800 or something like that. And I think this tournament has a better prize. Yo, J Val, what is up? And the Influencer Cup, I haven't been able to trade it. Yeah, unfortunately, I haven't been able to trade it. I've been put on the sidelines till Sunday. That's alright. I can catch up to those clowns. All those clowns. Kellyanne, please. I'll catch up. Their baby gains. You think that baby gains is gonna win? No. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. Oh, you know what happened, J Val? I got reset Sunday. Yeah, Sunday night I got reset. I blew it, and then like at midnight I got reset again. They responded to my email. I blew it right after. I blew my 2 resets like back to back, and I go, oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, I've been kind of tilty, to be honest with you guys. I've been tilty. Not trading well. I'm not in a groove. I'm not in a groove lately. But today felt good. I didn't spend any money. That's always good. Oh, no, that's a lie. I spent $18 on this account because I got rebuild. But yeah. I didn't spend any money and I made money, so that's always a good day. Pine Tree Tournament, I'd love to do something like that, but it seems like a headache. But that would be cool. You'd have to get some sort of prop firm or, you know, like Patrick did, to work with them and to have the platform to do it. It's so funny because after that first Ninja Trader tournament, that's exactly what I thought. Like, I go, it'd be cool to like host one of those myself. And then, of course, Patrick did it. But I'm surprised like more prop firms don't do it for publicity. Like Trade Day, you know, has let me into this affiliate cup thing, and it's been a lot of fun. And because of it, I talk about Trade Day all the time because I love Trade Day as it is. I've been trading with Trade Day since 2022. But yeah, J Val, that's what it is. It was in my head, you know, because they changed the rule. Well, they didn't really change the rules, but like they were just like putting shame on people for using the resets and things, kind of. At least that's the way I took it, because like I had already blown up 2 accounts, and then they were just like, let's put in reset tally, and I'm like, well, I would have traded a little. I wouldn't have full ported it. I would have traded a little more conservatively if I knew that. I didn't want to be embarrassed, but it was just all in my head. J Value on 10th in the PW tournament and almost lost 3,000, so we'll see where I'm at. Oh, nice. To trade with your own money, how do we get an account to trade with? No, you don't have to trade with your own money, Kofer. It's just you sign up, and they're gonna give you a fake account. Basically, they'll give you an account to trade, and you trade it on Ninja Trader, and that's it. Yeah, they'll just give you a certain amount of drawdown. I think it's like 3,000 drawdown, and then just go from there. I'm actually gonna get out of this trade here. Maybe. It's very much a bull flag break. I'm actually gonna switch long. Here's what I'm looking at. Inside bar. Bull flag break. So I flipped long. I'm in 2 contracts. This is an eval. Pretty good size eval, so see if we get any momentum. Now this bull flag should break to the top side, make new session highs. If it doesn't, then it's going to be a failed bull flag. So we'll see. What's up, Trev? Look for 317s, 320s. Yeah, that'd be a nice little pop if we can get up there. The reset tally is brutal. Yeah, I got it in my head, but now I don't care because like I'm like, you know, I got thinking about it. I managed to have a break from it, so I'm just like, you know, I don't really care because, you know, the thing about it is like whoever wins. So is there a limit? No, they only give you 2 a day though. 2 a week, ST. And you know, I did it because like, for one, they give me accounts to give away to you guys while I'm in the tournament. We already gave away one this week, so we'll give away another one next week. And also, I get higher commissions while I'm in the tournament, and plus I have the chance of winning like a good prize to give away as well. So yeah, I was like, yeah, I'm down, and it's good publicity. You know, it's people seeing my name out there on Twitter and da 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 da. You know, I'm trading like garbage, but it's alright. I'll be up there. So my first payout today with TPT, still negative, but then happy with it. Oh, let's go. Hey, J-Val, getting a TPT payout is not easy, and I remember struggling, and it was like kryptonite for the longest time. And then now it's like, it's kind of my bread and butter. It's like if I can get over the buffer, it's just like I take those daily payouts, $200, $300, $400, $600 a day. I usually don't have anything too massive, but you know, those little base hits really add up. All right, here's a little break to the make a new session highs here. So good call on getting out of that position so far. Why do I trade at 530, 345 for the stream? For the stream. Yeah, so when I was trading, I mean, still something. I managed to blow up accounts in this time, so it does have some movement. But yeah, so when I first started streaming in the morning, I would have no one watching. There was no one watching. There was no growth. There was a few people that I have some loyal people that found me in early on, but there was like nobody. And then I ended up I saw Stock Tiger trading at night, and I saw the growth of his channel, and I said, you know, I can do that too. And I just started streaming at odd hours, and I just started streaming at the Globex Open, and the stream took off. And here we are approaching 4,000 subs, and I got 180 people watching me, which is as much as most streamers in the morning. Even some of the medium-size streamers. So yeah, that's the reason. I mean, it kind of sucks, but because I'm literally trading and streaming and making content all day, and then even into the night. But there we go, up 220. So I was kind of front running at 320 there. I could keep pushing, but nice little trade. So I ended up getting back. I don't know what we were down. But yeah, nice little trade. So basically, yeah, that trade right here, let's talk about it. So I love this setup. This is one of my favorite setups. Now, it doesn't happen all the time because it just doesn't. But basically what we got here is a bull flag, right? So nice bull flag on the 5-minute chart, and what it does is it puts it in that inside bar right here. And when you get that break of the inside bar and the bull flag, to me this is like green light central. This is like step on the gas, and that's why I ended up going in with 2 minis on that one. Oftentimes I'll see this even, you know, to the downside because it could be a bear flag, but when I see that inside bar break, when it's the last bar of that bull or bear flag, it can really like move. So that's the thinking of that trade. I've actually made quite a bit of videos on that. Love it. Does the daily loss limit really follow you? On what? Aqua Futures. Oh no, drawdown is a hard breach. Ouch, happy kids. There used to be some other prop firms like that, and they got rid of them. Got rid of that. Take Profit Trader used to be like that. Is it because TPT has the intraday on sim funded? Oh, the reason why it's so hard. I think it's just psychological. Like, so once you get close to that buffer, knowing that you can take daily payouts, most people try to get there on day one and end up blowing their funded accounts. And then once you're over the buffer, it's really tough to stay above the buffer. So let's just say I take out that daily payout tonight, and you know, I'm back down to $4,500 in drawdown, and I start off the day tomorrow and I take a $300-400 hit. Part of me says I should stop, but oftentimes what happens is I keep trading because I want that daily payout, and then I keep trading it right into zero. And I think that's the psychological part, right? That's why Take Profit Trader is hard. So like on this Take Profit Trader account right here, anything over $4,500 you can take daily payout on. But yeah, it's tough. Does the daily loss limit really follow you? Yeah. So Nihil, most prop firms, what is this? Most of them do follow you. So whether it's intraday or end of day. So end of day means it follows you at the end of the day. I don't know what's going on with that. I'll get rid of that. I don't know why it's doing that. Anyways, but yeah. Yeah, nice trade, Trev. Yeah, Aqua Futures daily loss limit is a hard breach. That is that's tough. I don't necessarily like that. I'm not affiliated with Aqua Futures or anything, so I'm sure they're a good company and whatever, but as of right now, I'm not trading with them. Sometimes I trade 3, 4, 5. Sometimes I trade funded accounts. Yeah. During this time. But yeah, a lot of evals. Trading my mains. Doing New York. Yep. Yeah, for sure. Fiber splice. Yeah, J-Val. I agree. It's tough. It's tough to build the buffer. I mean, Take Profit Trader. So I've been live with two prop firms, and Top Step and Take Profit Trader. And currently I'm not live with any of them. I ended up blowing them all, but yeah. Take Profit Trader, I figured I'm probably gonna go live with them eventually again, but no, I haven't got the call back up. So after I blew the first live account, they're probably like, just get rid of this guy. Hey, thank you, Tony Schwartz. I appreciate it, man. Appreciate you. Glad you found the channel. So yeah, so we just hang out at night, and we talk about the markets. We talk about what we did. I take trades. I show you guys everything. I got nothing to hide. And talk about whatever, food, feet picks, whatever. Do giveaways. Do I copy trade? Within the firms. Like if I had 10 Apex accounts right now, I'd copy trade them all. Which kind of leaves over trading. I have not pulled the trigger and used a third-party copy trader yet. Like TradeSync or anything. I haven't done it. Part of me wants to. Just because I feel like when you have a bunch of prop firms that you're trading, you tend to overtrade a bit. But when you have a really bad day, you know you can blow up all your accounts. It's very like live by the sword, die by the sword, you know. Talk about hitting the like button, this case says. Chris Knopf, what is up? Let's go. Have you been trading ETF? Their consistency that payout seems quite hard. I passed one yesterday to see how it goes. I have not traded Elite Trader Funding, no. No, I really like to just build, like, right now I got 5 My Funded Future funded accounts. I have 2 Take Profit Trader funded accounts. And I want to build up some more trade day accounts. I really like the daily payouts. That's kind of like my thing. Once I start getting daily payouts, then I can feel like I can work towards some of those prop firms where I can build up, you know, that you have to trade 8-10 days, you know, that can build those up. And that really works out for me. I feel like if I get a little bit of money coming in with daily payouts, then I can build up those other accounts and don't feel as rushed. That's what I was doing with Bulenox. Like I am way ahead on Bulenox as far as payouts and ROI is concerned. Currently have 0 at the moment, but yeah, it was just like I was getting daily payouts with Take Profit Trader, and I was trading those Bulenox accounts and trying to get to that 10-day mark. And I'd make $300-400, $500 on Bulenox, and then just call it for the day. If I had a $600-700 losing day, I had the lockout button on Project X. It would lock me out. I'd move on to the next day. you know, within 13, 14, 15 days, I was at a payout with Billinox, you know, 3 accounts. And I just kept doing that. That's the way I trade best that way. When I feel financial pressure and then I don't have like money coming in, it's tough for me to be patient with the other accounts. But with the daily payouts, it kind of feels like a real account, personal account, and then you can just withdraw it every day. Like even if it's like 50, 60 bucks, it feels like, all right, let's go, you know? I don't know, it's kind of rambling today. Exclamation point pine in the chat if you want to join the giveaway. Scalp River, yeah, I tried out TradeSyncer. I tried out the demo or whatever. It was nice. Nate, copy trading is a love-hate. Once lost 30,000 with 28x in about 50 minutes. Life-changing for some. Gone to the flat. Yeah, exactly. So yeah, it's like live by the sword, die by the sword. It's like when you have a good day, it's like, all right, this is awesome. When you have a bad day, it's like, ish. You blow up all your accounts. Nothing's safe. But yeah, just very important to keep daily loss limits. I think that's one of the most important things when it comes to trading is the daily loss limits. I'm way behind in the chat. Sorry, it was frozen, I guess. Fiber Splice is splicing in 72 new homes on the fiber network. Nice. Oh, you're going to Texagata Island. Nice, Fiber Splice. Get your work cut out. 72 brand new homes. ETF has this payout rule that you traded considered needs to be 23% of your best day, otherwise it won't count and you need 10 of those. Huh. Yeah, I like prop firms that have very simple rules too. You know, something that's very easy, like my funded futures or take profit trader or top step. You know, they're very simple. It's like, okay, you make this much money, trade pretty much how you want, don't hit the drawdown, and you get paid. Like that's kind of what I like. Yeah, red candles. Well, you know what it is like I was listening to a CEO of one of the prop firm companies. I think it was Futures Desk, and he was saying that they're seeing like an increase. Are people keeping their accounts longer with Project X because of the lockout button? People that are not using that platform, they're not as consistent, and I believe it. Shorted 321 for a scalp. Good luck. You're looking pretty good right now, Design. Good luck, good luck. TJP in the house. Yeah, you have to wait 5 days to complete an eval. Skylit, yeah, for sure. But look at it this way, right? On day 6, you can get a payout. So, but I hear you. Waiting 5 days for an eval sucks. Same with trade day. You have to trade those accounts for 5 days as well and stay under 30% consistency. But on day 6, you can get a payout. So with my funded futures, how many days is it? It's actually 7 days before you can get a payout. Because you have to trade the eval for 2 days, and then you have to trade the funded account for 5 days. So it's actually 7 days. So I kind of look at it that way. I'm like, well, day 6 I can get a payout, but I hear you. Yeah, the lock button. Yeah, the lock button on Project X is a game changer. Not so much for like, well, I guess for locking out your profits too, or however the lock button. But I'm telling you right now, if you stick to a daily loss limit and lock it, you're gonna find that you're gonna be more consistent on getting payouts. I'm telling you. You need to make 30 bucks to pass an eval? No problem, Coach Singh. How hard can it be? All you do, not financial advice, but if it was me, I would just go to gold. I'd put in 10 minis, and I'd just push the buy button. No, I'm just kidding. Do not do that. $10 minis, 1 tick, you're good. Now you got this. 30 bucks, pass the account. You got this. But yeah, just don't. How hard can it be? Yeah, just don't. Just be patient with it. Guys, I have blown accounts needing like $9. I'm telling you, I have done dumb stuff like that. I've done it all. If you guys have done dumb stuff, I guarantee others have done the same dumb stuff, and I've done it too. So it's just like a little short back to the VWAP maybe. Kind of a cheap short. We'll take it for the stream. Maybe look about to get back towards that VWAP, that 300 level. Something like this. Or we could just be flagging out again, and it'll keep pushing higher. So we'll see. But the reasoning off this inside bar here, it's resisting off this 320 level, and the VWAP sitting down here at 302, and it likes to kind of like go. Sometimes it likes to roll back over, head towards the VWAP before the Tokyo opens. So. Step one, don't risk more than 30 bucks. Yeah. Yeah, if you wait till New York, like getting 30 bucks in New York with 1 micro, it can be done. And then if you're losing on the trade, it doesn't hurt as bad, right? I've blown accounts that were passed. Me too. Yeah. Yeah, my worst payout moment was Phil's story. I was at $9,000 for a take profit top step payout XFA, and I wanted 10,000. Like I wanted 10,000 for some reason. Like it was in my head, that number 10,000. I want 10,000. Well, I blew the account trying to get 10,000. I should have just settled on 9, you know. That was one of the worst ones. I'll never forget that. Because I hadn't been getting many payouts at that time either. I only had gotten a handful of payouts. What's gold up to? Gold, not really moving that much tonight. Not yet. We do have Tokyo open in about an hour. Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you want to join the giveaway. Yeah, Coach Singh, absolutely, yeah. If you get beat up in New York or Asia, Globex, it's tough to get it back. I hate trying to get it back in New York. I've spent many mornings like trying to make up for losses in Asia, but lately there's been some decent moves. So you're gonna win a count tonight. Let's go, 44. It's Christoph, yeah. All right, let's get a little push down here. Feel free to short. Finally, the bulls, nope, never mind. Look at this daily, guys. Look at this daily. So this was 2 Sundays ago. We talked about this. So I just talked about it earlier. This is basically the same trade as we just took on a smaller time frame. But yeah, bull flag off the inside bar, and it has not looked back really. I mean, we had to pull back here. This got a little scary, but then it's kept going. All-time highs, all-time highs, all-time highs. You know, it's crazy. Absolutely insane. I think we have a rude awakening coming. This is buy the dip night, I guess. Fiber Splice feeling lucky for the moose race? Let's go. Yeah, we'll do a moose race tonight, and then we'll do so we'll do 2 giveaways. We'll do one for members only, and we'll do one for you regular folks. If you'd like to join the membership, I really appreciate it. The Pinecone Nation. You might have a good chance of winning. Yo, Yash Trades, what is going on? Pinecone Stars. What's the best Apex size? So, honestly, my favorite JD54 is... I like the 50Ks and the 150Ks. It's kind of my favorites. I think they're... You know, they're not too bad to pass. The large accounts, like the 250s and the 300s, are very nice once you get them passed, but it's hard to pass them because of the trailing drawdown, right? Once you pass them, it's like you get this giant buffer, but yeah, it's hard. But I like the 50s and 150s. I can... So the 50Ks, when they're running 90% off, the 50Ks I can pass in like one quick trade, right? You know, full porting. Just I usually catch something at the open and I can pass them in one shot. But ideally, like if I could have 20 150Ks, I think that would be pretty sweet. Thank you, Adam Daz. Yeah, 182 people, 84 likes. Smash it, guys. Appreciate you. It's a little annoying, but it does help the YouTube algorithm. Supposedly. I believe it does. This is why we have so many people finding our channel. And we're approaching approaching 4,000 subs. Check out gold here. Gold's going sideways. NASDAQ still trying to pump higher. We are trying to short off this inside bar, not really working. And so it hasn't been working tonight. Not enough volume. I find that the volume is, and you know, ATR very important when it comes to inside bar trading, because you need that pressure. You need that build up that pressure. My scalping to some. Yeah, Some would consider, you know, 9, 10 points, 15 points a scalp. Andrew P in the house. Thank you so much for joining. Keegan in the house. But yeah. Am I scalping like a few ticks? No. But yeah. Looks like we'll get stopped out here. Dave J, you needed $6 to pass 5 combines. Now I'm down 500. I'm struggling a lot lately. Yeah. That's okay. You know what? You're down 500 bucks. You made, I don't know, let's just say you're trading to 50K. You made 2,500. You know, just, yeah, you don't need to rush it. Just chill. We got stopped out on that. Still up 57 bucks on this account. Am I still trading options? Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, option spreads. Yeah, I had a small winner today. $200 on the options. Not too bad. Just trading two contracts with SPX. Maybe like 250 actually. Let's see. 266 bucks I made today. I don't know if you can see. My camera's not good enough. 266. Alright, kind of swept the high there. Took our stop out. I don't have one of those fancy cameras like these big streamers have. Like some of those cameras are like $1,500, $2,000 or more. This camera's $100. So I plan on upgrading eventually. Truly. But then you guys will see all my gray hairs and wrinkles more than you do now, and no one wants to see that. If I was a cute girl streamer, that'd be totally different. I'd have a $10,000 camera, right? But no one wants to see my mug. Alright, swept the high, pulling back here. A little unfortunate, just kind of like chopping this little small range. Top of the hour. Let's see what's the ES up to. ES kind of grinding higher as well. Gold. I think Tokyo will really move some gold today. Now it looks like it wants to pull back down towards the VWAP. Max, never using your own capital to trade. Yeah, well, yeah. You gotta take it slow, you know. I know almost all traders are men, but assume that they can read. Smash the like button for buying. Thank you, Miss K. Yeah, how many female traders we got watching? Say hi in the chat. We got Miss K, AMD, Dominique, let's go. Stephanie, G-Strand, Donna's in the house. Well, that's cool. Where's Terry? I don't know. Doyan, what is up? So we got a few. That's awesome. Yeah, it's my statistics are like 98% males. So from South Korea, Seoul. Awesome. That's so cool. Yeah, I love that we have people from all over the world watching. So cool. feel like I want to take a discretionary short here after we swept the high, but let's see if we actually do make that move down in the VWAP. Get right back in, probably get chopped out because it could put it in this range, but it did put it in this Harami candle here, so it will be interesting to see if we. I'm gonna try it. Like, this could be stops going back at the high. This could be a death by 1,000 cuts. But you from Mars watching with Elon? Let's go. Flat Mars Society. Tory Trey's eyebrows from Nigeria. Oh, that's cool. Oh, no problem, Tim. Yeah, if you guys got any questions, just feel free. I'm an open book. What's up, Sarah? Yeah, you know the other crazy thing, guys, is that only about 10% or less actually chat. So it's usually about 10%. Of people watching actually go on the chat. Usually there's, you know, usually got about 200 people watching. We might at best have like 15, 20 people chatting. And it's like that across about, it's like that across all of the channels, really. All right, little discretionary trade here, sort of. I mean, it is my Harami candle, but it's not my Harami setup. Well, yeah, pretty much just trying to get back that loss. Not a revenge trade, but yeah, just thinking that we're really gonna try to push down into that VWAP. So let's see if we can do that. Taking a short on ES markets. Good luck. Yeah, it's tough to trade. Cam, it's tough. I was gonna try to pronounce your name again, but I always mess it up, so I'm just gonna like call you Cam. Dominic. You want to copy me so you can? Oh. Psst. Don't do that, Dominique. Don't do that. Fade me. That's how you pass. Come on, really? Pushing down to 310 and then bounce like that? For what? No. Do I have TikTok? Yeah. So I'm on Instagram too, guys. I'm on Instagram. I just started an Instagram last night. Come check out my gram, like the kids say. See if I can put in a link in the chat. I don't have many followers, so let's see. How do I... share. Yeah, you definitely, like... Let me just do this real quick, and then I'll rant. Let's see, how do I... I guess I can do that. It's my Instagram. Come give me a follow. Dominic, do I use 5? I use a 5-minute chart. Yep. 5-minute charts. I don't copy many traders, but mine is killer, so it might work. Nate, yeah. No, you guys don't want to follow. Yeah, I was gonna say, don't follow anyone on YouTube, really. For one, there's a delay, even though I have have it set for as minimal as possible. And yeah, it won't get you anywhere in your trading journey. Maybe you'll get a few trades, maybe you'll pass an account every now and then, but in the long run, it's not gonna get you anywhere. Dawood, what is going on? But yeah, however you got to where you are on your, as far as your take profit trader accounts, then just keep doing that. Come on, let's just come down and test that VWAP area. Just do it. The 1 hour, you trade off the 1 hour scalp ripper, yeah. It's not a bad idea. I like those higher time frames are definitely the way to go for some. I'm looking for little moves. Now you only need 10 bucks. Let's go. See? Chipping away at it. Use the 15-second, Dominique? Yeah, Coach Fred in the chat uses the 15-second. Or used to. Usually around 3 seconds. Yeah, I don't know what mine is. Probably like 10 seconds. I don't even know. Let's see. Yeah, a few seconds. Like 3 seconds. Yeah. Not bad. I'm looking at my live stream. Time dot is. Yeah, I think about 3 seconds. Indian Baron, what is up? How many days, weeks till you pass the eval stage? Usually for me, I usually do them in the minimum. Yeah, I do not, I'm not patient with the evals, to be honest with you. Well, we didn't quite get to where I wanted. We took about 50% of that bullish candle. No, not even quite. Maybe we'll get a little, I don't know. She seems bullish, so. Another Harami here. See money, take money, I guess. But yeah, just little scalps, that's all it's giving me. We'll be patient with it. It stops at the high. Everyone's worst, yeah, worst nightmare is Coach T screen, yeah, for sure. Absolutely, yeah. Traded 007. Oh yeah, Discord can be much quicker, yeah. Telegram can be pretty quick. It's still kind of amazing, isn't it? How fast. Back in my day, no. But yeah, like how fast the internet and speeds and the... It's just crazy. I'm literally like talking to you guys and instantly and trading, and it's nuts. For the old timers. You guys remember. Dial up. No internet. Out for a $45 profit. Let's go. That was a nice trade design. Off 21, right? Off from 21. Nice little 10 points. Top dog, what is up? Yeah, the one phone line, yeah. And Tandy 1000 computer. So what was my... So I had one of those junk computers too. I don't remember. It was my parents. Or my dad or... My uncle brought it over. Like... I think he thought I was like Steve Wozniak or something. I don't know. He brought it over and it like... He's like, here. And it didn't have any programs on it or anything. I didn't know what to do with it. And then... I remember the very first computer I bought personally was like an old Dell. One of those Dell computers, and it was like, you know, you paid like $1,500 and it took like 10 years to pay it off. That was the very first computer I had. Yeah, back in my day. Yeah, you had to be in New York City yelling to do this. Yeah, I know. Crazy, right? You almost a half a century old, Peter. I'm getting there. I'm getting there. No, 41. Feel good though. Feel good. What is this chart movement? It's the old Globex crap cam. It is crap. That's what it is. Possible another flag break. Thanks, Nate, for the follow. Give you a follow back. All right, exclamation point Pine in the chat if you guys want to join the giveaway. We'll do 2 giveaways tonight, so we'll do the first one pretty soon, like 6:45, maybe 6:40 Central Time, and we'll do the next one. We'll do one for members only, so appreciate you guys being a member. We'll do that members only one last. Any size Apex account. Please do not be banned from Apex or something like that, because I only have these accounts to give away. Keep an eye out on gold, yeah. It's starting to move again. Looking like it wants to pop, right? Nothing clean though. I'm not seeing anything clean. It's looking like a little flag break though. Little trend line break. Little Tory's trend lines. So your first computer was an Abacus. The Moose Race, yeah, it's gonna do it. Your banned coach thing, yeah, sorry. Yeah, thank you Apex though. I mean, they are gracious to give me some accounts. The new affiliate person that my affiliate contact is awesome. Wow. NASDAQ refusing to pull back. Another bull flag break possibly for push up higher. Pretty much just going right back to unchanged in this chop from pre-market. London, basically. It's trying. That's what it's been trying to do all afternoon. It pushed down, pushed back up, V-bottom, and it's just trying to... Yeah, that's what it's trying to do. It's trying to take out this morning's high. Opening, 5-minute opening range high. Kind of seeing it now, right? But who knows? I mean, we could just do this and do this. But yeah, feeling bullish. 2 shorts did not work so far. Top dog, your thoughts on passing the EV out of the buffer, then keeping a larger buffer for more drawdown security? So for me personally, I use the buffer. I use the drawdown that so whatever I gotta get over for a buffer, that's what I use for the drawdown for the next payout. So yeah, I don't try to build up bigger buffers usually. I just, if I, let's just say I need $2,000 or $2,500 or $2,600, and I can take out $1,000, $1,500, I'm taking it. And whatever buffer I have is what I have. As far as passing evals, I pass them pretty quickly myself, but I also know that I can get payouts. If you're a newer trader, you should just treat the evals, you should just treat them like you would a funded account. You're going to do way better off doing it that way. Evals, I tend to pass or smash them. I usually full port them and to get some passed. That's just me personally, but yeah, you're always better off to just treat the evals as if you're trading a funded account. Just practice good trading habits, right? Thank you, LS Funded Scalper. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Horses, Mises, just love to watch them run. Andrew, let's go. Yeah, we got the Mises. Sellers failed today. They have. Yeah, Andy Mern. They failed big time. Right at 50% fib. Cash Ol, what is up? 200 away from you, 6,000 on the from 6,000 on my 100K account. Let's go. So guys, right now, My Funded Futures is still doing that free scale add-on. You can see it right here next to my cursor here. Use code PINE, My Funded Futures. This is not going to last forever, so you can request 50% of your profits up to $6,000. So if you make $12,000 on that account, you have 5 days of $100 or more, you can request $6,000. Let's just say you make $3,000 in 5 days, or 5 days, or however many days it takes you, and you have 5 days of $100. You can request $1,500. Let's just say you have $1,000. You can request $500. You request 50%. So pretty awesome. Use code PINE, My Funded Futures. But yeah, Apex currently 80% off, right? Use code PINE. No consistency rule, vamos. Zero consistency rule. Sling that puppy. Make 10,000 in day one if you want, and then just get 4 more days of $100 or more and take out $5 grand. How hard can it be? Yeah. So I passed 5 of them today. So let's see what we can do with them next week. Or I'd hate to pass 5 of them today and then smash them tomorrow. I don't want that to happen, but we'll see. Yeah, Todd Dog, for sure. Yeah, I mean, it's just because everyone's at different levels, right? So, you take some people that can consistently get payouts, like myself or some other traders and things. They're not going to spend time on evals. A lot of people, like, Terry Trades 100, my trading buddy, like, she can get payouts consistently. She'll often get straight to funded accounts, So it's like everyone's at different levels. Like, if you're a newer trader, I always suggest, like, not financial advice, but like I always suggest, like, if you can just get a cheap eval, like the cheapest you can find, like Bulanox or Apex, something like that, and then work on your strategy, learn the platforms, get a little skin in the game to get your emotions in check, and then you can look at straight to funded or whatever. But if you're a newer trader and you can't pass an eval, getting a straight to funded is not going to help you. You're probably going to blow up that straight to funded account, and it's going to cost you a lot more money, and it can add up quick. like very quickly. So, anyways, yeah, it's just my 2 cents. Yo, you've been trading for 6 to 8 years. You've been trading longer than me. I passed about 5 accounts, but new to the prop space. Yeah, so yeah, learning the rules and how it works with the props. Yeah, it's top dog. Yeah, it's definitely a trick. If you can trade a personal account consistently, then you're gonna do fine in the prop space, and vice versa, right? Like if you can, because a lot of the prop firm rules are harder. So if you can consistently trade a prop firm account, get to a funded account, you're probably going to do pretty well. Or consistently get payouts, you're probably going to do okay with a personal account. So, but there definitely is a prop game, right? There's a game to be played. A lot of these companies have kind of made rules to kind of prevent the earning and burning and that kind of behavior. So, but there's definitely a prop game that you can play. You know, like, you know, getting 20 accounts and copy trading them and whatever, wherever. Thank you so much for the sub. Crown Z81, let's go. Thank you for the sub. On our way to 4,000 subs. 3.81 now. If you haven't subbed, please sub. Let's get to share the stream if you're on your socials. Let's get this over 4,000. But yeah, you'll see some traders, and like I have, like, no disrespect to like some traders that are on that I see publicly on YouTube or whatever. Some of them are very, very good, including myself, at trading the prop game. And there's some that are way better than me. But there's also some people that I see publicly that couldn't trade a personal account. Like, they just couldn't do it. And they'll admit it. But, you know, but it's okay. Like, I've always looked at it like, you know what, a payout is a payout. It goes into your bank account just fine. Like, there's no shame in it. Like, those payout checks clear just as well as, say, my personal Optimus Futures account. You know, it's like it's fine. So yeah, there is a game to be played, and it's a good game. I mean, you can definitely change your life with some of those payouts. Little rant. I'm in it for the long haul, build a thick base, and then copy them. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, if you can copy trade 20 accounts, 50 accounts, base hit them into payouts, it's definitely the way to go. I mean, my largest payout was $18,000, and it was copy trading multiple 25K accounts. Now, that's not a massive payout. That's not like $1 million payout or anything like that you see flashing around. But, you know, to me, I was like, holy shit. Like, $18,000 just got deposited in my account. Like, I'm like, this is insane. You know? That's like months and months of delivering mail in the snow. But yeah, I mean, my goal is to get good enough where I can copy trade a bunch of those accounts and get to a massive payout. You know, like a 6-figure payout or something like that. Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you want to join the giveaway. We're going to do that in about 10 minutes. So if you haven't joined the giveaway, giving away any size Apex account. Any size of your choice. You want a 300K? We'll give it to you. If you want a 50K, we'll give it to you. Doesn't matter. We'll do a moose race. I'm sucking at prop firms, but I have bang on my personal. That's why I'm still not worried. Yeah, that's interesting, J Val. Yeah. Wow, 250K in payouts this year. Let's go. See, we got savages in the chat. I know we got savages lurking, so that's awesome. 250K. That is so awesome. Congratulations. Get Tokyo Open here in about 25 minutes as well. If you guys haven't joined the Discord either, feel free to join the Discord. I'll put the link in the chat. It's completely free. I love having savage traders in the Discord. We don't have any idiots just in there. It's been pretty good. I haven't had to block anyone. There you go. So we're just kind of chopping around here. I feel like I'm gonna get stopped out though. This is putting in like another bull flag. Stops at the high, but it's pushed down in the money a little bit, but nothing. I'm looking for a little more. I'm looking for a push down to the VWAP, but wrong. I'm in there. I'm an idiot. Yeah. No trolls so far. It's been good. Last week I made 20K on my personal, but the prop game for some reason just makes me tilt. Huh, that's interesting, J Val. Yeah. I mean, maybe I don't know where you're at, but like maybe a straight to funded might be where it's at. Maybe you're just like trying to pass the evals too quickly or something. But yeah, like my largest payout was 25K straight to funded accounts. So it was like once I got those accounts, I was just like, okay, just like all business, right? It's like there's no like full porting, there's no like, you know, adding to losing trades or letting the losers run. It was just like all business, and let's just grind these up and let's get a payout, you know. And that's the way it was, yeah. We're giving away Apex accounts tonight, Punisher, yeah. Yeah, I think your country's banned, unfortunately, you said yesterday. Well, yeah, we'll do more giveaways for other prop firms in the future, but right now, Apex is being cool to us, so we're going to give away some accounts from them. Had a limit buy at 313 too, but took it off because I thought we would just push into the VWAP. Yeah. Kind of thinking we could, but she's feeling bullish, right? $20K in fees, not so bad. Yeah, next trade. That's awesome. Yeah, congratulations, guys. I love the education, not a rant. You're helping us to get the firms. Oh, thank you, Top Dog. Appreciate you. Need one bad? Let's go. I hope you win. But yeah, I guess we got about 5 minutes to enter the giveaway. Discord links pinned to the top of the chat. If you haven't joined the Discord, feel free to join. It's all free. Some people charge for their Discords. Some people, you might get some benefit that charge, but in the Pine Cone House, you know, I'm kind of mad. Like, all right, I know I got a lot of Zero Day J fans, but I'm kind of mad that he's calling it his treehouse. I mean, naturally, my Discord should be called the Treehouse. I have a bone to pick with Zero Day about that. But it's okay. It's all good. It's all good. 130K in payouts, around 20,000 in expenses. You can't beat that, right? You can't beat that next trade, Lou. That is awesome. Past the 150K take profit. Oh, and then you blew it up? Yeah. Oh, man, Michael. Yeah, that's too bad. Ah, man, I did mess up my bicep today. Damn it. It's like... I messed it up months ago, and then I think I re-injured it again. I retweaked it. So I'll have to take a little bit of a... go light. The worst part is that it usually like aches at night, and then it keeps me up. The Pine House is much better. The Pine Cone Tree House. The Pine Cone Tree House. Pine Cone Clubhouse. Oh, that's Rip's thing. The Clubhouse. What am I gonna come up with? The Pine Forest. Right, day trader, yeah. The Pine Forest. Pine Scented. Yeah. The old Yankee Candle Pine Scented House. The Cabin in the Pines, yeah. Well, it is like my I do kind of live in the woods. My house is in the woods anyway. But yeah. The end scene. This. That's the. That's kind of the. Kind of like. The old Pine House. Pine Valley. You know, I've been rewatching Silicon Valley. The old Homestead, yeah. I love that show. I think it's so funny. Yeah, I've been rewatching that at night just you know, just to chill. On HBO. It's a funny show. The Pine Palace. Oh, I see ICTs up in Maine. You guys see ICTs hanging out in Maine? The old Pine Posse. Alright guys, 2 minutes and we'll close the giveaway. Yeah, Red, you usually don't see the end scene because you're usually hopping on. Let's see what we got. Alright. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. You guys got 1 minute and we'll close it, and then we'll run the moose race for everyone. And then we'll do a fundraise for another account for the members only. So if you'd like to join the membership, you get an extra chance to get an account, and just to thank the members. And smash the like button too. Let's get the likes up. Before we run the giveaway, we got 187 people watching. Let's get those likes up to 150. We're at 133. Get them up to 150. Got almost 200 people watching actually. So let's get those up. Appreciate it. Let the YouTube algorithm know what's up. Get them out of it's free to you and helps out the channel, so We are still stuck in this trade. We've been in this trade for a while. $137. Come on, let's get 150 likes. Let's get it up. I wonder if I could just easily switch over to members too with this new thing with the YouTube chat. That'd be cool. 139 likes. 10 more. That's what she said. Miss K, you watch The Office? I'm a big Office fan. Huge Office fan. I watch The Office every single night to go to sleep. I literally do. $142. 142 likes. 144. Thank you so much, guys. Not that into it. Yeah, it's an acquired taste. I've been watching The Office for years, but yeah, it's crazy. 5 more likes. Let's go. We'll do a giveaway here. All right, we got that 150. Let's go. Thank you so much. Closing entries here. We'll do the giveaway here. I should make it to a stopwatch fired up. We'll do it for members only as well. That's gonna be a good chance to win for members only. I don't think we have that many members watching tonight, so we got a few I see in the chat, but we just get this race fired up. This is for any size Apex account. Thank you, Apex, for giving me some free accounts to give away. Shout out to Bella, maybe she's listening. Shout out to Bella, my affiliate contact. And let's see. All right. So let me refresh this. Thank you, Miss K. Close entries. Thank you, Chris Knopf. All right, we'll do first race for everyone. Must be present to win. Any size Apex account. And then we'll do a members only race. We're still in this trade too, by the way. Oh, we're out of the trade. Just like clockwork. Down 165. That's okay. That's alright. Just another trade. Alright. Good luck. Good luck. Power 737. Dude 45 on the outside. Sovereignty pushing up through the middle. Next trade, Lou, who's already made $100,000 this year, but still wants an Apex account. Can't ever have enough accounts. Smash the 1. It could give you a boost, but you never know. You gotta hit the boost just at the right second. Who's it gonna be? Someone's pulling out in the lead here. Who is it? I can't even see. There's so many Mises. Alright, let's see who it is. Johan! Are you present? Must be present to win. Johan. Give you a few seconds. Congratulations. Let's go. Johan's right on the ball. All right, Johan. First question, are you in the Discord? We'll do the members giveaway here in just a second. Are you in the Discord? You don't have to be, but... Who came in last? If it's John again. Discord link in the top if you want to join. Dumbest Trader is last. And then followed by Visible ID and TJP. Bringing up the rear. Dumbest Trader is last place. Awesome name. I like it. Tiger Belly, 154th place. Well, you're a member, TJP, so you have a good chance in this next one. So yeah, Johan, if you want to join the Discord, and what's your name on Discord? If you want to join, you don't have to, but it makes it easier. You don't have to, but it makes it easier for me to message you, and then I know it's you too, so I can prevent the scammers. Johan, awesome. Yeah, it usually takes a minute, but I got you. Thank you so much. All right, I'll message you after the stream, or I message you now just to say hi, but I'll message you, settle up with you after the stream. Let's do the... So I gotta go to members only, guys. In the chat. Let me do that real quick. I'll go back to the regular chat in a minute. All right, exclamation point Pine in the chat for the members only. I'll give you guys just a few minutes. We'll do it like, we'll just give it like 2 minutes. So 6:54 on this clock up here. We'll rerun the moose race. Well, actually, we'll do something. Let's see what I got. I like to do something fun with the funnerer with the members. Let's see. What do we got? What do we got? Well, we're getting into October. It's getting to be that Halloween season. NASDAQ continuing the push up. Gold. Wow. Gold took off. Another bull flag break on gold. NASDAQ. Bull flag break. Alright. All you members in. Only 8 people. 8 members. So this should be a good chance for you guys to win. Alright. Oh, a few stragglers. Alright. Is everyone in? 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you guys for being a member. Oops. Close entries. 10 people in it. Let's go. Nice race. Copy. Alright. Good luck, members. The zombie race. Let's go. For the spooky season. I can take my moose race hat off now. Put my zombie hat on. TJP out to the lead. JD54 up there at the top. Michael Benny just hanging out. We got Kevin hanging out in last place, but you never know. Kevin could actually take this. Let's see. Chris Knopf. Oh, JD54 making. Oh, not gonna have enough. Chris Knopf. Let's go. Congratulations, Chris Knopf. Alright, everyone can chat again. You pulled a hammy? Let's go, Chris Knopf. You in the Discord? I imagine. You weren't in the members only race? How come? Why didn't it work? Did you place an entry? Did you just miss it? Chris Rowe Wanderer? Awesome. Alright, I gotcha. I hit you guys up in just a few minutes once I end stream. I'm just gonna end stream right now, I guess. Guys, do me a favor, smash the like button. Also, do me a favor, use code PINE for all the prop firms. If you're signing up for My Funded Futures, Buellanox, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Funded Next, Lucid. Guys, if you are on Lucid, use code PINE. Funding ticks. Top one. You guys are on the Discord. You can find it in the links too. But yeah, use code PINE. Why am I ending stream? Going to dinner. It is my Friday night. I'm going to dinner. I'm having a beer and a burger. No, Top Step doesn't have any affiliates, unfortunately, M. Schultz. I would gladly be a Top Step affiliate if they would have me, but yeah, thank you so much for joining, guys, hanging out, and I will see you guys Sunday night for sure. 5:45 Eastern time. I will be here Sunday night. I won't be watching football. I'll be here with you guys, hanging out. We'll sling some contracts. Good luck tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. You don't want to go in the weekend blowing accounts. So just stick to a daily loss limit. Not financial advice, but yeah, stick to a daily loss limit. Don't go blowing accounts on a Friday. It sucks. I know. I sometimes blow accounts on Fridays myself, but it really does suck. So but yeah, so yeah, use code PINE, and I'll see you guys later. Enjoy the end scene. And I'll hit you guys. I'll hit you winners up in just a minute. Alright guys, peace.
Yeah, yo. Check the strategy, simple and clean. Pine tree in the building, the trading machine. I'm looking at the charts, not for no drama, just for that sweet setup. Call it the inside bar gamma. It's a tight squeeze, a moment of pause, breaking to the upside or the downside without flaws. It's my bread and butter, my daily routine, capturing them moves, living the dream. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pin trees on the road, putting skills to the test. Yeah. See, the market's a jungle full of noise and of fakes, but I'm focused on the signals, for goodness sakes. That inside bar forms a sign of compressed mic. I wait for the breakout, then I'm in with all my might. Small moves, big impact, stacking every single day, cashing out that profit, there's no other way. They talk about the long game, the big wild swing, but I'm here for the consistency that daily payouts bring. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pitted trees on the road, putting skills to the test. Yeah, yeah. From the start of the session to the end of the line, I'm scaling and I'm swinging, making every penny mine. Don't need 100 points to feel a success, just a few ticks of profit to feel truly blessed. I'm a funded king with a plan so clear, no fear in this game, cause the strategy is here. Yeah, Monetary Trader, you know the name. Daily payouts, ain't it a shame that others are struggling, playing their silly games, while I'm on top, fueling the flames. Take Profit, Apex, my funded, yeah, you heard me right. Staying on that grind from the morning till the night, yeah. Daily payouts. Yeah.